What is good, YouTube? It's me, your girl, my son's. What? What is good, YouTube? It's me, your girl, my son's. My son comes to y'all with an update on the hair I just did a review on, or initial unpackaging video on. If you haven't checked that video out, check it out before we talk about this one, girl. We got a lot to say about Black Pearl on AliExpress. I'm going to leave y'all the link in this video from that hair. So I don't want to hear that y'all could avoid this hair. It's horrible. First off, you go back to the video, you'll get the cost of it in the inches, but I'm going to repeat it now. I think I paid $68 for 16, 18, 20-inch kinky curly bundles with the 14-inch kinky curly closure. If y'all want to see how it looked initially when it came out the package, check that video out. It's looking like this now because chick went and combed through it and then just wet it. So this is how it looks when it's just freshly wet. If you wash it, it's going to obviously be hanging longer and being more close to my head because it's way down with the water. Pros of the hair: once you wet it, it's very pretty. If you don't pick at it when it dries, it's going to dry in a very pretty kinky curly pattern. I'm sorry, I'm looking rough. I've been up since like 6 o'clock this morning and it's 5 o'clock. But no breaks, no rest, doing application scholarships. Yeah. So I was reading the text that came in on my phone. So I'm looking rough. But on to this hair, y'all. The pros is the curl pattern is pretty once you wet it. If you ain't messing with your hair a lot, it's not going to get really big. It's going to stay pretty much like this. That's all for the pros on this hair. Cons. First thing, it sheds horribly. When I left my review on AliExpress, I'm like, this hair shed worse than any hair I've bought. Beauty supply store, synthetic hair when I'm braiding hair. You know how you braid the hair and it get tangled and you might have to pull some pieces out because it got tangled up. This hair just sheds. It tangles and it sheds. I don't even know why I'm touching now. I'm scared to wear it to work now because I'm touching it too much. It's not worth $70, $50, $30. This is like some pack synthetic hair, but it is human hair. That's one thing. They processed it to give it this Jerry curl / kinky curly look, because when I got it, it had that strong ass perm smell, y'all. So I did the burn test and it definitely is human hair. That's the only other positive thing about it, that it's human. You can straighten. I did a straighten test on it. It straightens and waves right back up. The hair sheds. Every bundle, even the closure sheds. That's why I'm scared to be combing the hair out. This is the closure, y'all. I'm scared to even be combing the hair out to wash it and detangle it because it sheds so much. I just detangled my hair today and I want to show y'all how much hair I have in the trash. Yeah, this hair might last me a month, 2 max. This much hair came out today, y'all. This much freaking hair. Some of the hair you can still see the kinky curly texture. This much hair. Avoid this hair at all costs. Save up your coins, or don't be cheap like me and you got some extra coins. You just don't want to spend that much money on hair until you tax time. Girl, avoid it. Like, people like, your hair is so pretty. If y'all only knew the truth to this hair, how much hair I lose every time I comb it. If I touch it, it's shed. If I sleep wrong, it's shed. I just got my bathroom curtain earlier today and there's pieces of hair on there. It's shedding. Look, y'all. This is a whole part of a track that came out with the whole curl intact, the kinky curl intact. This much hair should not shed from your head. It's not worth it. If AliExpress and Black Pearl, if y'all watching, y'all know y'all dead wrong for this. This makes no sense. I get this much hair every time I touch this hair. So I'm going to send y'all this video so y'all can know y'all need to step the quality of y'all product up or drop that price down even more if y'all want to stay in business. Because, baby, this ain't what's it. And like I said, it look cute now and all manageable because I detangled it and I'm not messing with it. But, y'all, this hair sheds so bad. So bad. Ain't no procrastination. Not no exaggeration. I didn't mean procrastination. Don't procrastinate. Procrastinate when you get in this hair. Don't do it. But no exaggeration. This much hair came out. Just for me detangling it today. This much hair. Now I know they say don't detangle your hair, curly hair, while it's dry. I wet it. I let this hair air dry back out. It makes no sense. I detangle it, let this hair air dry, and then I just put water back on top of it. But this is how it looks after detangling and drying up. So it only looks like this. When I detangled it and washed it, I let it air dry, and then I put water just to define the curl, just before the video. So that's why this is dry and this look wet. Baby, it's embarrassing. I gotta throw this whole trash bag away because I don't want nobody to know my hair is shedding like that. Yeah, the hair looks nice. One thing about it, if you look at my review video, you'll see how the bundles look. It was shedding coming out the package. It's the closure shed, the 16-inch shed, the 18-inch shed, and the 20-inch shed. And y'all know what? I'm like, it's only $70. I'm not going to make no dispute. But no, y'all gonna give me something. Give me $10, $15 back, something, because this hair barely worth $30. And it's only because of the curl pattern. And getting a month wear out of it like it's synthetic hair, but it's human. It's like they have great hair, but the way it's put on, it was sloppily made. It just shed too much. There ain't no excuse for it. So once again, this is Black Pearl from AliExpress. I will leave the link below. Y'all, don't waste y'all coins on this. It might look pretty out the package and barely shed, but it didn't barely shed with me. But this is what you're going to end up with every time you touch your head. Remember, it's me, your girl, my son's my sound. And remember to love yourself before you can love someone else. If you haven't already, y'all, hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe.
Big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. Listen to my daughter. She knows what she's talking about. Bye.